Good afternoon, friends. Today is our first lecture. Uh, we'll start second year paper ordinary differential equation. In that, we'll start the first unit. Uh, we'll start with the definitions. What is meant by differential equations? All of you know what is meant by differential equation. You have seen this in first year also, as well as in your inter class also. Uh, Differential equation means where there is a differential coefficient is present. What differential coefficient means what? It dy by dx and the derivatives were present. That equation is called differential equation. Before differential equation, what is meant by equation? Equation means a sentence where the equality sign is present. Last year also I told this thing. Means suppose in some case there is a 2 is less than equal to 3. This is not the equation. Inequality signs are there, right? If x equal to 3, then it is equation. And moreover, differential equation means what? Where there is a differential coefficient is available. I think this is clear. So this is the definition of differential equation. Now what does mean by ordinary differential equation? Ordinary differential equations are those in which all the differential coefficients have reference to a single independent variable. In first year also we have seen there are two independent sometimes differential equation contains one independent variable or sometimes more independent variable. Especially in partial differential case, we have seen that there is a two or more than two independent variables were there, and a differential equation where only one independent variable is there, like dy by dx or f of x is equal to dy by dx, like that. Then that equation is called ordinary differential equation. These are the examples. म्हणजे ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मध्ये फक्त एकच इंडिपेंडेंट व्हेरिएबल असेल आणि ज्यावेळेस आपण पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन बघू त्याच्यामध्ये मोर दॅन वन इंडिपेंडेंट व्हेरिएबल असेल, त्याच्यामध्ये पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाय असेल, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स असेल, तर त्या केसेसला पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन म्हणतो. आणि ह्या सेमिस्टरला तुमचं ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन राहील आणि पुढच्या सेमिस्टरला तुमच्या पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. ओके, so these are the equations. See here example 1, dy is equal to cos x dx. So here independent variable is what? X, and dependent variable is y. That is y is function of x. That is y is equal to f of x, first example. Second is again double derivative of y equal to 0. Third is also same. Now partial differential equation. As I told you that in partial differential equation there are two or more independent variables and their partial derivatives were present. See, this is the example: y square dou z by dou x plus xy dou z by dou y is equal to nxz. Next thing is we'll see what is meant by order and degree of ordinary differential equation. Order means the differential coefficient is the order of highest derivative appearing in it. Okay, order of differential equation is nothing but the order of highest derivative appearing in it. And degree means what? The degree of an equation is the degree of that highest derivative when the differential coefficients are free from radicals and fraction. Keep in mind that these two things, radical, free from radicals and fraction, these are very important. When you are finding the degree, you should have to take the quotient that that equation is free from the radicals and fraction. That equation should not contain these two things, radicals and fraction. What are mean of radical? Radicals means under root, square root, or cube root. Such type of thing should not be there. And fractional means that derivative should not be in the denominator or like that. You should have to simplify it and then find out the order. That means what? You have to check that what is the highest order of differential coefficient, and degree means what is the degree of the highest order coefficient. See, these are the example. This is what dy is equal to cos x dx. This is nothing but dy by dx is equal to cos x. Here what is highest order differential coefficient? 1. So its order is 1, and what is degree of that dy by dx? It is 1. So this is first degree equation and first order equation. Second example is what? D square y by dx square is equal to 0. Here order is second. because we are differentiating these two times, dy by dx. Okay, and what is degree of that differential coefficient? It is degree is 1. Next is y plus c whole square is equal to y plus c whole square dy by dx plus z dy by dx minus y plus a equal to 0. What is its order? Its order is first, because all the coefficients dy by dx coefficient here and here, its degree is only 1. The order is 1, that's why degree is also 1. Similarly, equation 4 is it contains radical. See, whatever I told you in the definition, it is there. 1 plus dy by dx whole square, and that bracket raised to under power 1 by 2 divided by d square y by dx square equal to r square. Here you cannot say directly the order and degree. First you have to simplify it. You should have to make it free from this radical, means what, under root 2 sign. So what you how you will do, you have to cross multiply this and then square it, or directly you can square it. So square of this thing will becomes 1 plus dy by dx, under root sign will remove, and it is equal to this denominator square equal to r square. If you transfer this denominator to RHS, then this is what r into d square and its square. So here what will be the order or highest differential coefficient is this second, and what is degree of that thing? 2. So here order is 2 and degree is again second order differential equation, and degree is also second. So here you should have to make assure yourself that this is free from the radicals. If you're directly saying that order is 2 and degree is 1, then you are wrong, right? So keep in mind the definition clearly said that the differential equation should be free from radicals and fractions. Next is definition is variable separable form. The ordinary differential equations are having various different form. The basic and very important form is variable separable form. At the name itself says that variable separable means what? You have to separate the variables with respect to that differential coefficient. Okay, so mainly our ordinary differential equation contains the independent variables x and y. So you have to uh, make assure yourself that the differential coefficient dx is with only variable x, and the differential coefficient dy is only with the variable y. The equation of the form f1x dx plus f2y dy is equal to 0 is called the variable separable form. Its solution obtainable at once by integration, and directly its solution will be obtained by direct integration. Okay, if the equation is not in the above form, sometimes we can transform it in the above terms by elementary transformation. We'll see the example. See example number 1, 1 minus x dy. uh, as you can see that this is not in the variable separable form. Here the variable is x and its derivative is dy. So we have to make the some elementary operation and transform the equation to variable separable. How you will transform? Just transform this to RHS side or cross multiply, you will get this 1 plus y dy. And if once you get the differential equation in variable separable form, by directly integrating that you will get the solution. So what is the integration of 1 upon 1 plus y? So of course log of 1 plus y plus log of 1 minus x, and constant we are adding log of c as a integrating constant. Again, by using the property of log, it will become log of product of this into this is equal to log c, and by taking exponential we'll get finally 1 plus y into 1 minus x is equal to c. This is the solution of given differential equation. Similarly, we have example second. uh, Example second is what? Dy by dx equal to under root of 1 minus y square plus 1 minus x square equal to 0. So again, this is not in the variable separable form. We have to transform it. So first you have to transform all the y terms to dy term dy, and all the x terms to dx, or you can just transform these to LHS. So this will be the minus sign, transform LHS and RHS. So what you will get, dy is equal to 1 minus y square plus, and directly integrating this you will get the solution. What is integration of 1 upon 1 minus y square? It is sine inverse of y plus sine inverse of x is equal to constant of integration. Next example is y minus x dy by dx equal to a into bracket y plus dy by dx. So again, first this is not in the variable separable form. You have to transform this equation to variable separable form. So how you will transform? Uh, Rewrite the given differential equation, then uh, transform dy by dx to LHS sign, a into dy by dx plus x into dy by dx equal to y minus ay. You can take the y outside the brackets, 1 minus y, and dy by dx you will get a plus x, and then again transform these to dx term, and this is to dy. So what you will get, dy 1 y a1 minus y minus dx a plus x equal to 0. So this is what, again, integration of 1 upon y is log y, this is constant as it is 1 minus a, minus this is what, log of a plus x equal to constant of integration. This is the solution, or you can simplify laterals. Next example is what, 3 e to the power x tan y dx plus 1 minus e to the power x sec square y dy equal to 0. So rewrite the given differential equation in first step. Then later what to do, you have to shift all the x term towards left one side and all the y terms towards the other side. So this is what, 3 e to the power x divided by this, so this cancel, and here denominator will come 1 minus e to the power x dx plus sec square y, then tan will come to the denominator of this, tan square y 0 into dy, dy is remaining. So what is this, 3 is constant, or you can multiply with minus sign. So minus 3 is constant, you can take outside, and here it is what, minus e to the power x divided by 1 minus e to the power x. So what is the derivative of the denominator is present in the numerator, so you can use that formula, integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to what, log of f of x here. So this is what, log of 1 minus e to the power minus x plus, similarly same thing is there, denominator is tan and its derivative is what, sec square y, and it is present in the numerator. So that is again, by using the same formula, it will be log of denominator, that is log of tan of y equal to constant of integration. Again, that minus, by using the property of log, that minus 3 will come to power of this, and this is what, log of plus, and by using again the log of m plus log of n is equal to log of m into n, it is equal to log of 1 minus e to the power x minus 3 into tan y is equal to log c. By taking the exponential on both sides, what you will get, this 1 minus e to the power x into tan y is equal to constant of integration. So these are the variable separable form. We have seen the 4 problems. So just recall what we have seen. We have started with the definition of ordinary differential equation, then ordinary differential equation, and then some example, and then partial differential equation, and again what we have seen, order is what, order of highest derivative appearing in it, then degree is what, highest derivative when the differential coefficients are free from radicals and fractions. We have seen some example of order and degree also. Later what we have seen, variable separable form and its 4 example. So we stop here. This is the first point we have covered from the syllabus. Again in next video we'll see the next article.